Before I took a course at WABMA, I lacked clarity, I lacked confidence, I lacked the ability to express myself and articulate my words correctly. My name is Rebecca Taiwo, and I currently work as a virtual assistant and customer service representative. And I knew I had the passion of speaking and talking in public spaces, but I just lacked the confidence and the correct pronunciation of words. So at WABMA, I didn't just learn theory, I learned practical hands-on skills. They took us back to the basics on how to correctly pronounce words and articulate our phrases and sentences, our emotions and feelings correctly. And that helps me gain confidence, that helps me communicate better. And now I work for an organization as a bridge between the organization and people. I get to speak with hundreds of people every day, and I am so grateful I took a course at WABMA. I see what impact that made in my life and made in my career as a speaker and a presenter. I definitely recommend WABMA to anyone who wants to learn a real skill.